A lot of collision repair shops spend so much money trying to purchase locked seatbelts, and they waste a lot of time because so many of these seatbelts are on back order. Today we're going to rebuild a seatbelt to show you that a repaired belt is just as effective and safe as a new replacement belt. We deal with thousands of collision repair shops that consider fixing their bumpers, their frame rails, their bent wheels. Why not consider having your seatbelt repaired? And right now I want to show you the process of that. The reason for repairing a seatbelt is because most of the time the frame and the spool never gets damaged. And so what we do to repair the seatbelt is to replace all of the affected damaged parts, especially the pretensioner assembly, the Pyro sensor, and any other affected areas. In most of the late model vehicles, the spool does get affected and we replace it. In cases where the car is T-boned or other special situations, don't worry, we have all of the parts necessary to completely repair your seatbelt back to the original state. Now, in order to be able to repair these seatbelts legally, one has to be licensed by the ATF and DOT. We are authorized to service and to handle Pyro sensors, which, believe it or not, are explosives. So send your locked or deployed seatbelts to MyAirbags. We'll repair them in one working day and ship them back to you. No excuses, no shortcuts. MyAirbags offers the highest quality repair, the fastest turnaround, and the best value, and up to 80% off new replacement parts.